Hi, I'm Eus Chiong from the Philippines. I love to eat and try different kind of cuisines. So it made me wonder that maybe I need to know more of it. I discovered ICCA because I searched it on Google. So then it came up. ICCA came up first. So I looked into the website, and the website was really great, and it was all nice. So I talked to the admin from the ICCA, and it was really good, the offer and everything. My ICCA experience was really great. It was awesome. The chefs are really good. Also, the equipments and everything here in school, they taught me how to be snappy in the kitchen, how to be initiative at all times, and how to make things work.